you find when makeup content creators are like, oh, excuse my air conditioner, it's really loud, and you like hear absolutely nothing? Mine is actually loud. It's just like right there, so I have to turn it off. So we're doing a quick video. Yes, I am wearing the same top from my last video. It's the same day. I just added a little more makeup because I wanted to have a chat. So I had an impulse buy recently, which I don't normally do. There's a makeup creator on YouTube. Her name is Andrea Ali. She's a makeup artist based in Paris. If you watch her videos, you know. And she loves the Milk Makeup Jelly tints. And this one's in the shade Burst. And I was thinking about it. I was like, oh, like I don't really need it. And then there was one there. It was just an impulse buy. I was having like a good day, you know, when you having a good day and you're out and you buy yourself something nice. So this was that something nice. But since I've gotten home, I've kind of been thinking about it, and I thought maybe you could help me decide if I should keep it or return it. Here's a big reason for returning it. These are my pink blushes. I have quite a bit. So, well, now that will be including the milk. So let me show you what my other pink blushes look like. So this is Krista from Benefit. This is like one of my only powder blushes. I have it in a few other shades as well. It's a nice bright pink. It does have a bit of sparkle in it, like shimmer, so it just has a nice movement to the cheeks. One of my favorite from a few summers back, this is Sweet Cheeks from Nude Sticks. It's a really nice warm pink. It's a bit more opaque, but it's very dewy, really beautiful as a lipstick, lip gloss moment as well. Another Nude Sticks product. This one is Magenta Magic. This is a lot cooler, a really bright magenta. This really makes your cheeks look fresh. Like you're just so glowy, you're happy with your life, you're doing good, you think nice thoughts, you drink your water. That is, it has a glow core, so it brings that like glow skincare vibes. But on the outside it is matte. Let me show you a little white dot, and then the outside is matte, so that has really great staying power. So then I have the MAC Glow Play blush in Totally Synced. I got this because a free birthday gift a few years ago. At the time, the Dior blush was going really viral. So it's kind of that white lilac pale. This is also really beautiful as a blush topper. And then one of my last ones, I will put this here. So this is also supposed to be a cool tone blush. I find on my lips it looks cool toned, but once I put it on my cheeks, it mixes with like my skin tone and I find it looks a little bit more warm. I actually find it's quite similar to Sweet Cheeks. So that was a little bit of a disappointment when I first got it, but I use it so much. It looks very natural on my skin. I really like it. Now we have the Jelly Tint, which everyone was wanting to take a bite out of on social media. It has like really cool jelly texture. I love the smell of tints. I don't know, there's something really delicious about it. So that's it. I just thought it would be really nice as like something for summer. I love tints. Like if I put that there, it does have this cool cooling sensation. I don't know, what do you think? Is that enough of a difference where it's like, yeah, you should keep it? Or is it just another pink blush? Because I've been thinking I don't have any really beige blushes, and those are just so great for every day when you're wearing like a red lipstick, when you have, you know, that really nice magenta lipstick from Ilia I have. I thought we could do a little wear test, not a wear test, but a little try on. I haven't had it on my cheeks yet. Put it on the lips. In the comments, please let me know if you think I should keep it. I think I will keep it until Friday and then decide if I want to return it. So I have seen that using brush is the way to go. And then just really light. Because it's a water tint, it's going to set very quick. I don't want to use like my nice rougher brushes because I don't want it to stain. Across the nose. We're having a bit of a heat wave where I live, and so my cat has just been not having fun. He's more of a fall winter boy. But I think why this is important is a lot of times in the past I've thought I liked a product. Maybe there's been a lot of hype around it. I think that the color looks all right. And then it's past that date where you can return it and you're like, oh, I don't know if I like this. I don't want that to happen with this product. I really want to be more intentional. We'll put some on the lips as well. It's supposed to have 1,000 swipes worth of usage. I do think it looks cute. Damn it. You know, sometimes it's like you almost don't want the product to work well. I do think a little lip balm will look really nice over top. I bought this product last year, went viral from MAC. It's the Like Squirt Lip Plumping Balm. I always have hair in my products. Anyways, it's not clicking anymore, so I'm pretty sure I'm like done the product. I'm really excited. It adds a bit of, it like neutralizes whatever you have on. I just find the way it keeps the shine, it doesn't tingle. I hate tingling. It just has this nice like minty fresh feel. I don't know. Again, what do you think of this blush lip tint combo? If you saw me walking in the mall in the opposite direction, would you look at me and be like, yeah, she looks super cute, or oh, that blush is not it? That's always my thinking. Like if you saw me at Thanksgiving dinner, would you be like, oh, she's gone down the YouTube rabbit hole? Or would you be like, oh, she's setting the trends? These are the conversations I have in my head. Like, come on. Do you have those too? Do you have any examples? Anyways, damn it, I think I like it. Okay, I hope you have a great day. I am just cleaning up for the rest of the day, putting the AC back on. Really excited it's summer. Excited I'm doing more long form content again. I hate how I dip in and out, but you know, that's life. I'll see you on the next one.